What do you up? It's Joe in Pattaya. How you all doing? Monday the 19th of June. There's the Millennium Tower in the distance. You'll see where we are in a sec. Monday the 19th of June, 17th of June 2024. There's the Golden Sea Pattaya Hotel. Don't know why they call that the Elements. We're back on helmet camera today. We'll take a look around here. We're just at the back of Soi Buakhao. A couple of hotels here. But on the right here is all these little townhouses you can rent. They look cool. They even have a little swimming pool area just in there. You see through there, maybe a little bit. Garden area. The Golden Sea Hotel. I don't know if they're all the same or the Elements. It's 32 degrees today, still hot. They forecast rain every day, but it never happens. So we'll take a look around. There's a swimming pool up there on the top for that hotel. I wonder how much these go for. They're probably about 15,000 baht a month. Have a nice little townhouse. Not sure if you can have pets or not, which will always be good. All right, let's go up the alleyway, the back alley. That's the entrance to the hotel, just there. Nice little entranceway here. The Golden Sea Pattaya Hotel. Got the big durians there. Yeah, a little busy bar there for the afternoon. And here we are back on Soi Buakhao. See the red, hot and blue. Down there is the new Nicky's restaurant. I don't think it's built yet because that's the old Nicky's there. We'll continue on from the other video of Soi Buakhao, but we'll head up this way a little bit. You'll see the dirt track just here on the right where we came out of yesterday. Up there. I'll show you this little thing too. Let's see what they're building in here. I've always wanted to know whether we can have a look or not. So, looks like it's all closed off nearly. Oh, they got lights on in there. Look at that. It's going to be a band or something happening. Can't really go in there. What's it called in there? Can't see the name. It's going to be, maybe it's going to be a pool hall. And that hotel, another no name. Righto, Joe coming through. So that's going to be interesting in there. Looks like massive stage. Anyway, we'll have another look another day when they build it a bit more. Chow Doi coffee shop. You get the good sandwiches in there. Chicken schnitzels. All right, let's head up to the market end. Oh, hang on. You want to look at Action Street? There's nothing action. There's no action. There is no action. The old Action Street. They're still building bars in here, if you have a look at that. There's always something happening. And that's the back of the urban condos. And the Coco Hotel, the blue one. And the back of the Grand Avenue. You can even see the Edge building there. They put the banana trees in. You don't have to pay land tax. They class it as farmland. That's the back of City Garden there. And even Centrepoint condo down there. Right, but look at these bars. Hey, you want to buy a bar? That'd be cool, wouldn't it? These haven't been operating for many, many years. Will they come back or not? Well, they're renovating that one now. Stripping the paint out. New teacher's lounge. That one looks nice. That was Action Street, not much action. But of course, it's 3 PM right now. The bars generally don't open till 4 PM. Righto, Joe. VIP massage over there. Yep, just stop there. A few little cool shops up here. A few weed shops. The Black Snake Club, that never reopened. Look at all these little shops. Lots of massages around here. Collins Golf and Restaurant there. Golden Tiger Bar. Pineapple Sports Lounge. That was okay in there, the food. FMP Bar. Well, I won't tell you what that stands for. That used to be a 7-Eleven on the corner there. Look at that now. And here we are, the Soi Buakhao markets. Generally it's Tuesday and Saturdays, I think, are the big days for the markets here. But the other days they are open, they're just a little bit smaller. See all the shops in there, they're all nail salons, eyelash salons. And you look on the right here, it's all the second-hand goods in there. All markets. You can go through, right through there in a sec. Now this is South Pattaya Road. Look at the traffic through here. There's Tulkom Building, Kasikorn Bank. South Pattaya Road. On the right there is the Friendship Supermarket. Look at the big buildings there, the Millennium Tower. Oh, let's go back up another alley for P. Joe. P. Joe. Yeah, so low season now. It's a bit quiet in the bars. I was in Soi 7 last night. There wasn't that many punters there. Lots of girls. Good little coffee shops around here too. It used to be more popular when the market took over all this bottom end as well, but it seems to be all the car park area now, so the people don't travel down here as much. Even on the corner there, Buakhao Villa, that used to be a good little shop in there. Jungle Sports Bar. Oh, right. Beer 60 baht, Thai whiskey. See all these little spots we can't find. And then you got all the roller shutter doors there. I remember a friend of mine had one of those, all shuttered up, has been for years. You got the little housing estates just here behind Soi Buakhao as well. There's another little area for a little townhouse. Problem is there's always no security. And you're on your own pretty much. But it's a good close spot to everywhere. A nice little house in there. Put your plant pots in. And all nice and greenery. There's the tower, Millennium Tower in the distance there. A friend of mine rents one in there. I forget what he pays. Wasn't cheap, and they're pretty small, some of them too. Alright, we'll go around the back here and you'll know where I end up. Back where we started from, nearly. Look at the overgrowth on that thing. Man, needs a bit of a trim. Some cool little houses along here too. They're renovating that one. Put another wall in. A good little quiet street here. Just at the back of Soi Buakhao, close to everything. I saw a couple for rent. Where's the signs? Might have been taken down. Maybe someone's rented them. They wouldn't be much rent. 10, 12 maybe. Nice little house. And where do we end up? Around the back alley here. That's where we started, that yellow building there. Okay, Cup. That's where we just started there. Where'd we end up? Soi Buakhao. That's where we were up there, the club. There was a nightclub up the top there. It's weird. Alright, we're out of time, guys. Take care. Uru. Over and out. P. Joe.